It has been a while since my first review of NFT marketplaces, so I wanted to check in with you about new platforms in the space that are on my radar. I'm not on any of these yet, so I have no vested interest, just my initial take and impressions. I think these are worth introducing to you because not only are there many new platforms on the Ethereum blockchain, but these new ones are new NFT minting platforms on different whole blockchains. That means the general idea of minting NFTs remains the same, but the process of executions will be different, which I won't exactly get into here. But for example, you would need different crypto wallets for each different blockchain. Each of the following blockchains have energy usage a lot lower than a proof of work blockchain like Ethereum. So the cost of minting an NFT on Tezos or Flow or Binance Smart Chain has been compared to sending a tweet on Twitter. Potentially vastly different energy consumption. This combined with less user base than Ethereum means gas fees are ultra low, like sometimes measured in cents rather than hundreds of dollars. The first blockchain we'll look at is Tezos, and the first platform is Hic-et-Nunc. It's Latin for here and now. The pronunciation here?
Hic-et-Nunc.
Hic-et-Nunc. I think I'll keep calling it Hic-et-Nunc. It's an open marketplace like Rarible or OpenSea. You can quickly mint an NFT, share it and sell it. First viewing, it's almost like an anti-platform. Non-featured user interface, no search, no tabs, no follows, some tags, pretty punk in its ethos, but maybe too obscure, but often that kind of thing in a platform can be nice to play around with, and it can be a really good entry place of discovery and learning. Also on the Tezos network is another platform called Calamint or Calamint, a curated marketplace for selected artists like Super Rare or Maker's Place. You can see you can buy now, have different edition numbers, etc. The next platform is on Flow blockchain. Dapper Labs is responsible for Flow, and they are also known for CryptoKitties and NBA Top Shots, which have done super well. Their first NFT marketplace is called Vive, VIV3. Free to mint, smart contract deployment, blockchain minting, and transaction fees are all covered. So creators earn like 87.5% of their direct sales. And additionally, you can earn 10% from the resales of these same NFTs on the secondary market. Ben Morrow is ultra respected concept artist for film, and he created a collectible card series that sold super well with some really smart trading card drop mechanics and obviously amazing character design. Another platform soon to be released on Flow is Versus. I am one of the launch artists on this platform, which will include auctions and limited editions with a twist. They should be launching early May, I think. And finally, on Binance Smart Chain is Bakery Swap. It started as an AMA, an automated market maker protocol with swap and yield farming features. So you can swap coins and stake them for returns, etc. You can see at first glance at how a little bit of curation can go a long way for quality, but allowing openness can get a new platform up and running pretty quickly. You can even use the same MetaMask browser extension you may have used for the Ethereum network, but under a different custom RPC setup. That's it. If you're new but early to a platform, it can really help to establish yourself in a blue ocean of potential rather than compete in the red ocean full of sharks. I'll have the links in the description, but if you try any of these platforms, I'd love to get your response on how you found them to use. Catch you next time.